Bringing home your KitchenAid Outdoor Island gas grill is easier than you think. Just follow these 3 simple steps. First, receive your curbside delivery. You can expect your island grill to arrive in 2 individual boxes. One will contain your primary grill space, while the other will contain your countertop and secondary burners. When your grill arrives, remove the lid and shroud to fashion a convenient wastebasket. Then cut each corner of the box at its base and flatten for easy removal. With an extra pair of hands, grab the grill from the open ends under the support bars and lift from its packaging pallet. Exercise the same method for the second box. 8 caster attachments should make transporting your grill easy. However, if moving across a soft surface, perform the leapfrog technique with the included wooden boards. Please exercise caution when moving up or down stairways. Now for setup. Using a Phillips screwdriver and included hardware, attach the outside trim panels, shelf hinges, and shelves in that order. Repeat this step for the other side of the grill. Before connecting your grill to its countertop, remember to insert batteries into the side panel, like so. If you're converting your grill to natural gas, please stop here and proceed with the natural gas conversion. Next, connect the gas line and join the 2 pieces of your island grill. To secure in place, open your grill's front cabinet doors to access and connect its locking mechanisms. Then, secure the locking arms found inside your grill. If you choose to assemble your grill without casters, adjust leveling feet to desired height. And make sure to insert grease trays in the front and rear compartments of your grill. Next, add the flame tamers, cooking grids, and warming rack. If you purchased a KitchenAid rotisserie kit, now is the time to assemble and install the kit for a fantastic rotisserie cooking experience. Lastly, connect your LP tank using the convenient slide-out tray. If using natural gas, the tray can be removed for extra storage. We recommend spraying a soapy solution to the gas line to ensure a secure connection. Now it's time to grill. Light up your grill the easy way with a reliable, continuous electronic ignition system. Then unleash your full grilling potential with 102,000 BTUs and 1,193.27 square inches of cooking space. Backed by a 10-year warranty, 5 main burners provide tender, evenly cooked meats every time you grill. Bring meal prep outside with plenty of 304 grade stainless steel countertop space. Then grill in style with sleek LED illuminated knobs and an all-new flagstone facing. Warm, saute, or broil with the dual ring side burners. And get that perfect restaurant caliber sear on your steaks with the high temperature ceramic searing side burner. When the ceramic element is hot, sear steaks for 1 to 2 minutes on each side to lock in juices. After, transfer the steak to the main grill and finish to preferred center temperature. Good times are ahead with the KitchenAid's Outdoor Island Gas Grill. For more information, visit KitchenAidGrills.com.